So here's our book this week. It's Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Remember, Gerald's the elephant. Look what he has. He's a box of Kleenex. Oh my gosh, look at all those Kleenex. He's blowing his nose. I hope he's not allergic to pigs. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! Here comes Piggie. He looks really excited to see Gerald. What do you want to do today? I want ah ah ah. Yes. Ah ah ah. A what? Ah ah. A ball? A swim? A hat? Chew! Oh my gosh, that was such a big sneeze. He blew Piggy right over. Oh, are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! Oh my gosh. He made such a big sneeze. Piggy flipped over. I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if he tries to sneeze a little more softly? Sorry. Elephant sneezed so hard, he put Piggy on his head. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Oh no. What will they do? Then we cannot be friends. Listen, we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Look what Piggy ran and got. He got himself a helmet. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. Look at that. It's the cat, Dr. Cat. He's got the stethoscope on. And you see that? He has a question like, Oh, Gerald looks so sad. He's even got a teeny tiny tear. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! I don't think he's just allergic to pigs, because look, he sneezed around the cat. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. He laid down with a big thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Oh no, look at Piggy. I think Piggy's sick now too. Yep, I think so. Look at the end of the book. Here's Piggy. Oh my goodness. I think Pigeon might be sick too. Remember at the beginning of the book? Gerald was busy getting ready to sneeze lots of sneezes. Is he covering his sneeze or his cough? Look what happened. Piggy got sick and so did Pigeon. So remember, like Miss Mary and I have been talking about all year, when you guys get ready to sneeze or cough, you want to sneeze or cough in your elbow. Because remember, If you do it on your hands, then your hands might touch a book, or they might touch a marker, or they might touch your mom or dad's phone. So remember, don't forget, if you got to sneeze or cough, you want to do it in your elbow, or sometimes you can do it right here. Achoo! But usually it's easier. Just pick up your arm really quick. Achoo! And then you don't have to worry about the germs on your hands. So we'll see next week what Elephant and Piggie are doing on Friday. Have a good weekend.